So let's start this video off with two quick facts I bet you don't know about skin cancer. Number one, men suffer from skin cancer more than women. And number two, apparently taller men suffer from cancer more than shorter men. Now, scientists are still trying to figure out exactly what's causing this. Internally, they're looking at growth hormone IGF-1. Apparently, we're going to see this in taller individuals. Men on average are taller than women. Therefore, we're going to see more of this growth hormone. But they're also looking at the outside. Guys, we don't take care of our skin. We don't protect our skin from the elements from the sun. Women are twice as likely to wear sunblock. All right, Jen, so I can't do anything about your actual height, but what I can do is give you the best skincare routine for you. We're talking about a skincare routine that's going to help you feel great, look great, and protect your skin. So the first step in building the perfect skincare routine for you, you need to know yourself. What type of skin do you have? So let's start off with dry skin. Now, under normal conditions, only about 10% of the population is going to have dry skin. We actually want to look at products that have more of an oil base. Why? Because oil-based products, they're actually going to do a good job of actually staying on the surface, not fully being absorbed and not fully evaporating. Therefore, they're going to last longer and they're going to do a good job of keeping the skin moisturized. And on the opposite far end, we've got oily skin. Again, about 10% of the world's population naturally has oily skin. Now, if you're looking for a particular product here, you want to make sure you go with something lighter, something that isn't going to have a heavy oil base. And falling right in the middle, guys, we've got 80% of the population right between oily and dry skin. Now, you may lean one way or the other, but when it comes down to it, most of us have skin that actually we can use the wide variety of different products out there. So we've got the skincare type. Now let's talk about the ideal morning and evening routine when it comes to washes, when it comes to scrubs, when it comes to moisturizers. I'm going to make this easy. I'm going to lay it out by the numbers. So step one for your morning routine, you want to wet your face with warm water. Step two, you want to gently rub your face wash onto your face and rinse. Now, step number three, you're going to do this about twice a week, and that is to use a gentle exfoliator. You want to scrub this onto your face in a nice, soft, circular motion to remove dead skin cells. Step four, pat dry with a towel. Now, step five, this is for you guys over the age of 30. Those of you starting to look a little bit older, maybe you're getting some wrinkles and you want to look better. Guys, look to use a firming serum, basically an anti-aging cream here. Next up, we've got step six. This is for you guys with bags under the eyes. You want to apply an eye cream. In step seven, you want to wrap this up by putting on a moisturizing cream, preferably one with a little bit of sunblock. Now, really quick, guys, that routine I just laid out, I stole verbatim from my friends over at Tiege Hanley, the paid sponsor of today's video, and I absolutely love this company. Why? Because they have made skincare uncomplicated. It's the convenience, it's the ease. Everything you need every single month is delivered to your door. Guys, you can go out there and you can try to price this. You can try to put this together yourself. And guess what? You're going to pay 2 to 3 to 5 times as much getting products that are inferior to what Tiege Hanley has put into it. Go to their website and you look at the different options. First, you've got skincare level number one. That comes with a wash, with a scrub, with an AM and a PM moisturizer. This is great for a solid month and for those of you just starting off. Next up, you got skincare level two. This comes with everything in level one plus the eye cream. Next up, you've got skincare level three. And this I'm going to recommend for a lot of you guys out there that are starting to get wrinkles that want to look really good. This comes with the Super Serum Anti-Aging Cream along with everything in level two and level one. And gents, if you're suffering from acne, you want to go check out their new products. They've got a new acne line. What I love is it's classic Tiege Hanley. They tell you exactly how to apply it, when to apply it. Free shipping on US orders. You can cancel at any time. Guys, I'm linking to Tiege Hanley down in the description of this video with the best discount code you're going to find out there. Use it or lose it, guys. Great company. I'm proud to support them. And now let's lay out that evening routine. So step number one, you want to rinse your face with warm water. Step number two, you want to gently wash your face with a face wash and then rinse. Step three, pat dry with a towel. Step four, go ahead and apply that firming serum, aka that anti-aging cream. Step number five, apply that eye cream right underneath the eyes. Step number six, wrap it up with a facial moisturizer. This one, by the way, does not need a sunblock. As you can see, the AM, PM, very similar, but the one thing that you want to note is be careful with those exfoliators, guys. You don't need to use them every day. This is something maybe at the most 2 to 3 times a week. So the next key, gentlemen, to healthy skin is to be hydrated. There are some studies out there that are saying about 3 liters a day. I'm not going to say that much, but I do think that you need to strive to drink as much as you can, probably about a gallon. I leverage basically a water filter system. What's great about this though is I fill it up once a day and my goal is to drink everything here. If I drink all of this in my office, in addition to the one at my home, or even if I put a great big dent into this, guess what? I'm going to get very close to my goal. The point here, gentlemen, is to create a system so that drinking water becomes something that you do automatically. The next step we're going to see in the best skincare routines out there, gentlemen, is they're all going to talk about taking care of your skin, protecting it from the elements, aka the sun. You want to make sure that those harmful UV rays don't penetrate your skin. Here's the deal, is that most of us don't have a system. We're not going to remember just to put on sunblock by itself. That's why I recommend using a moisturizer that has just a bit of sunblock in it, because you're going to naturally put this on with your morning routine and you're going to protect your face. And for most of us, when we're wearing clothing covering most of our body, it's going to be our face that we want to protect. So the next step in a great skincare routine, exercise. At least 4 hours a week, preferably not at once. You want to break this out over the week. But guys, what you want to do here is get your heart going. So cardio is great, and you want to sweat. Why do you want to sweat? Because you want your body to naturally get rid of all those toxins, all that stuff that, yes, does penetrate the skin. This is naturally going to clean it. It's going to give it a more vibrant look. All right, Jen, so pop quiz. Do you know what this is? Okay, good. Do you know how to use it? Ugh, not so good. Guys, the next step in a great healthy skincare routine, you need to feed your body correctly. The vast majority of you do not know how to cook. When you can cook, you control what goes into your body. When you don't shop on the inside of the grocery store. For me, I always try to stay on those outer aisles because that's where you're going to find the fresh food. You're going to find the meats, you're going to find the vegetables, you're going to find the foods that are great. Learn how to cook. Learn how to create food that is delicious, and guess what? Your skin is going to look better. The next step in a great skincare routine, get rest. Get the sleep that you need, guys. At least 6 to 7 hours. I know some of you are getting a lot less. I prefer about 9, because if you're not recharging, if you're not taking care of your body, it's going to eventually fail. It's going to break down, guys, and your skin is going to look horrible if you're not getting rest, if you're not getting sleep, because most likely you're throwing in caffeine, throwing in all these other things to try to make up for it, guys. It's not good for your skin. Now, this next skincare routine step may be a little bit extreme for some of you, but that is to completely give up alcohol. And I know that there are studies out there that talk about consuming alcohol in moderation is perfectly fine. But there are also studies that go to show even in a small amount, alcohol has very bad effects on the skin. Not only does it dry it out, but it affects your hormones. Consider cutting that alcohol out. Now, this next step in the perfect skincare routine is probably the hardest of them all, and that is to reduce stress. How to get rid of stress. I'm going to share with you 3 things that work for me. Number 1 is a feeling of gratitude. So I can tell you when I'm stressed out, when everything is going bad, I take a step back and say, seriously, how bad is this? And I mean, I don't have cancer. None of my kids are dying. There are so many worse things that could be happening right now. So have a sense of gratitude. Next up, consider forgiveness. Yes, that guy that slighted you, that person that's saying all that bad stuff about you. And I can tell you, this is a very powerful thing. When you forgive someone for the slight that they did against you, all of a sudden you're in a better position. You feel better. Finally, guys, let's talk about meditation. So I'm a bad meditator, but I can at least meditate for a minute. And that's where you want to start. Why does meditation work? Because all of a sudden, again, like I talked about, gratitude, forgiveness, but putting your mind in its place and realizing, hey, this stress I'm feeling, I'm going to expel this from your body. I know, guys, that sounds really woo-woo, but the United States Marine Corps has done studies on meditation, how they affect people actually after they get out of combat, before they're going into a fight situation, and how when you've got your mind aligned, you can do amazing things. So guys, consider it. All right, gentlemen, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you down in the comments. You know I love to recognize my notification squad, those of you that comment fast, early, and you leave something positive that we can share with the community. Speaking of communities, if you're new to Real Men Real Style, click on that subscribe button. Make sure to click on that notification icon so you get the updates when we're putting out videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And guys, if you like this video, click on that like button. And gents, if you want more information about skincare, I want you to go check out this video next, 7 skincare mistakes. Yes, Alpha M makes a guest appearance in this video. I know you guys absolutely loved it. We did this video together, had a lot of fun, and guys, go check it out. Great video. I love this video. Is really funny, so go check it out. And speaking of Alpha M and Tish Haley, again, guys, I'm linking to him down in the description. And some of you guys want to see magic happen? Watch this. Take a little bit of Tish Haley right here. Oh, yeah. You feel that magic, guys?
Your face is glowing with handsomeness.
I hear him.
You look incredible.
Aaron is somewhere. I swear, he's parachuting right into central Wisconsin. No, he's not going to pop into this video. But guys, again, go check out that video I recommend. You're going to absolutely love Aaron as he pops in. Great product, guys. I'm proud to support him. Again, I'm linking to Tish Hanley down in the description with the best discount code you're going to find out there.